Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. Hey, I'm coming in to check in with you. Countdown to 177-pound weight loss, guys. That is my journey. That is the journey that I'm on. That is the journey that's now consuming me because I'm trying to do all I can to get to that goal. So thank you so much, guys, for participating. I'm cheering everybody on. I'm rooting for you all, everybody who's participating with me, cheering me on. I'm cheering you on. I'm rooting for you too. So guys, I just appreciate you guys, my amazing, beautiful friends. I appreciate you all. And in my previous videos, I talked about currently being on this weight loss journey to lose this 177 pounds. My goal weight is 140. My highest weight was 317. My current weight is 262.6. So this week I think I'm down 4 ounces. It's okay. I'll take it. 4 ounces. I'll take it. Yes. So far I have lost 54.4 pounds so far, and I want to keep it going until I reach my goal. I still have 122.6 more pounds to lose. I have lost the weight so far by exercising every single day for a minimum of 40 minutes. I have been fasting, intermittent fasting, and doing OMAD. You can also join me on this journey. The more the merrier. So whatever you're doing to lose weight, what are your weight loss goals? Comment below. Let's do this together. Let's work together. Let's cheer each other on. Let's root for one another. Let's encourage one another. As I keep telling myself every day, what am I doing to be a new you in 2022? So I'm working on that, and I'm doing all I can to cheer myself on and encourage myself so I don't give up, guys. So this is why I'm documenting this journey, guys, so I can hold my own self accountable. So let's cheer for each other and help motivate each other. So I love you guys. God bless you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for liking, watching, commenting, and subscribing. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next video.